I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So you're presenting Robodar Temple over here.
Yeah.
Can you please
Exactly.
tell me its importance?
Yeah, actually, we do participate this event. The main purpose is for the introducing and do a correlation line of the Buddhist culture, which is the background of this event happened, that is Gandhara festival. And Indonesia as well, we have some Buddhist temple over there. One of them is the Borobudur that you said before. Is one of the wonderful heritage of UNESCO. Is claim of it.
So are you enjoying here in Pakistan, and one thing you like the most about Pakistani people?
Yeah, basically I'm a student here, ma'am. I'm student in Islamic University on third semester. One thing that I shocked and always grateful to be part of this country, which is they're so helpful. And I'm the only one foreigner in my class. All my fellow will help me a lot and welcoming a lot.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Nice to